Hi, I'm Corey Talbot, and we're going to talk about our Maxxgrip Pro 10-in-1 multi-tool. This item is great. It's one that you'd find in most people's junk drawers or hanging on their tool wall or your utility wall or anything else they have. This is an item that's invaluable. It's got 10 different uses. That's why we call it the 10-in-1 tool. Some of the different things it does is that it can scrape paint. That's what this edge is for. It actually will open cracks. That's what this piece is for down here. I also like to use that when I'm scraping in between a molding on an area and a wall to get that paint cut away. I also use it for cleaning rollers. So it's something where you can actually have this little piece right here and you can scrape that off of there when you need to clean your rollers up at night. It also will spread compound when you're in a pinch instead of having to go get a whole nother type of tool to do that. It's got a hammerhead on it that allows you to smack in either the nails or whether you're using drywall screws that have popped out, things like that. And what this has that is different from most of the other ones you find out there is this actually has 4 of the most used bits stored right inside the handle. So what that does is it allows you to take, if you're up on a ladder, instead of having another item that you have to go down and get off the ladder to take off something that you forgot to take off on like a ceiling or something else like that where you're taking a light bulb out or something before you do your job of painting. This one, just going to demonstrate a couple other things. Also, obviously, you can use this to open up a can of paint if you needed to. The bit basically fits into the slot in the back. This is one that we spent a lot of time making sure if you drop this, that bit's not going to come out of there. And it's not magnetic, it's got a spring in there, so it's not real hard to get in and out. So when you're dealing with outlets, what you want to do is make sure you've got the right one. This is a slotted, so I've already placed that inside here in the multi-tool. And it allows you to go ahead and pull that out completely. And there's 2 of them in here. I'm not going to go through the entire stage, but basically it allows you to get what you need done without having to go get another tool. Then it also allows you to do those things that I talked about like scraping. So if you wanted to either scrape a window or around a window, or in this case I've actually got a drywall screw that's kind of popped out here. You could use that hammer then to make sure that's popped in all the way. And then you come through and you go ahead and do your prep work on that before you come through and do your painting.